Today I'm going to show you how to perfectly roast a whole duck. You will need green onion, shallot, lemongrass, cilantro stems, salt, pepper, melted butter, and a whole duck. To start, using your pastry brush, coat the entire duck in melted butter. Then generously season with salt and pepper. Rub the duck to evenly spread it around. Next, insert the vegetables into the duck. Then, line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and place in a roasting rack. Place the duck breast side up on top of the rack. Now, simply place the duck into your oven at 200 degrees Celsius, fan forced, for 3 hours. That may seem like a lot, but trust me, it'll be cooked to perfection. It's burnt. Coat the entire duck in melted butter. Generously season with salt and pepper. Insert the vegetables into the duck. Line a baking sheet. Place in a rest up. Place the duck into your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 2 hours and 30 minutes. It's burnt again. Butter, pepper, salt. Rub the duck. Insert the baking sheet. Roasting rest up. Place the duck into your oven for 2 hours. It's burnt again. How to perfectly roast a whole duck. Coat the entire duck in melted butter. Season with salt and pepper. Insert the vegetables into the duck. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. Place in a roasting rack. Place the duck breast side up. Place the duck into your oven. Cook for 1 hour. Whatever, that's good enough. Enjoy your perfectly roasted Thai-style whole duck.